In this video, we'll explain how to quickly change shape and canvas. Suppose guys, I want to quickly change this shape and the circles to any other shape. All you have to do guys, select this circle and with the mouse and choose the shape option from the top. Now large list of shape available and Canva will open for new browse, and this is listen, choose what you like, just click on the shape and will be replaced with the old shape guys. And guys, thanks for watching this video. See you on another video soon guys. This is simple step you can do and easy way and fast, and just click on the shape and drag another shape as you can want to do, and this is what you can do. And thanks guys for watching this video. See you on another video soon. Like, share this video guys for more content. See you on another video soon. Thanks.